With the advent of mobile laser scanning in recent years, North Surveys has alleviated the requirement for the hazardous and expensive on-road process in determining required maintenance issues. North Surveys has created in its infancy a portable road deformation analysis system, or PRDAS. Put simply, the PRDAS allows for all users in road maintenance management the ability to utilise the same data on differing platforms for their uses. The portable nature of the data is achieved by use of any mobile device. Specific problem areas have been analysed against design criteria to reveal potential deficiencies. These outputs include design comparison heat maps and detailed sections graphically representing any anomalies. The heat map can identify a part of road which differs from the nearby road pavement with a specific tolerance, which may indicate a section of road pavement that has moved laterally or vertically, significant potholing, or subsidence over a period of time. The development by North Surveys is to deliver heat maps in formats which can load into your Google Earth device in the field if required to view poor sections of pavement while you are on location. This allows the maintenance crew to navigate seamlessly to a site identified by mapping to assess and undertake remedial works to road pavement areas. This same system can be expanded to road furniture repairs and vegetation over road corridors.